Hey teachers, if you're tired of spending hours putting together course overviews and lesson plans for your classes, NotebookLM is a free tool that can turn your plans and overviews into visual teaching materials in just minutes. Start by going to notebooklm.google and sign in with your Google account. After you're logged in, if you're new to NotebookLM, the way it works is you upload all your resources, then any tools you create will be based from only those resources. There's a full tutorial available in the description. Now, the first step is to create a new workbook. Then, upload your resources you reference in class. For example, you can upload PDF documents, audio files, images, spreadsheets with agendas and dates, any YouTube video links, basically everything you've prepped for the class. After your sources have been uploaded, over here on the right, you can generate your infographics. But here's a pro tip for you. Whenever you create an infographic, it's a good idea to click on the pencil icon and enter a detailed prompt explaining the type of graphic you want to create. Because if you don't, NotebookLM will create an infographic using all your sources, and there's a good chance you'll end up with a very generic, not so great looking image. To help get you thinking, here are some sample prompts for you. Turn multiple lesson plans into a timeline showing when topics, projects, or assessments happen. Create a weekly topic overview that visually breaks down what the students will learn each week. Generate a flowchart that shows how key concepts connect. Make a summary graphic that shows learning goals, activities, and assessments at a glance. In our case, let's go with a prompt like, "You're a teacher. Use the resources to create a weekly topic overview that visually explains what students will learn each week in this course about starting your own business." And we'll do this just to get a feel for how things work. Let's go ahead and generate the infographic. Okay, it's done. Let's check out the results. All right, wow, pretty cool. Not too bad. NotebookLM has created this sharp-looking infographic in just a few minutes. But that's not all NotebookLM can do. You can also have it create slide presentations based off your resources. Again, we want to click on the pencil icon so we can determine the type of presentation that we want to create, either a detailed deck or presenter style. Because we're going to be teaching, it stands to reason presenter style makes sense. And for today, let's skip the prompt, but again, in real life, you want to type in specific instructions about the type of presentation you want to create. After you generate things, we can click on the slide deck to get an idea of what things look like. To show the presentation, we want to click on the Start Slideshow button, and you can see that within just a few minutes, NotebookLM created this very awesome looking detailed presentation. We can also download the presentation as a PDF, but the problem is the presentation gets downloaded as a full document and not an actual presentation. So here's where we can work some magic and convert the PDF file into a PowerPoint presentation format. There's a few ways to do this, but for today, we're going to use some free tools offered by Canva because I'm willing to bet most of you have used it before. The first step is to head over to this website offered by Canva and upload the PDF file from NotebookLM. I'll put a link in the description for you as well. After you upload your PDF document, you'll be taken directly into Canva, and at this point, you have a few more choices. You can show the presentation from within Canva by clicking Share, then Present, or you can download the file directly in a Microsoft PowerPoint format, then open the PowerPoint to add in some transitions to give things a little zest. Now, this just gives you a small taste of what NotebookLM can do. If you want to learn about 85% of what you'll actually need to use NotebookLM effectively, watch this video.